How to repair car. Repairing a car can be a complex task that requires knowledge, experience, and the right tools. However, here are some general steps to follow when repairing a car. Diagnose the problem. Identify what's wrong with the car by listening for unusual sounds, feeling for unusual vibrations or smells, or observing any warning lights on the dashboard. Use a diagnostic tool or take the car to a mechanic if you're not sure. Gather information. Look up information about the car's make, model, and year to find specific repair instructions, diagrams, and parts needed. Purchase parts. Purchase the necessary parts needed to fix the problem. Make sure to buy quality parts that match the car's specifications. Prepare the workspace. Ensure the workspace is clean, well lit, and has all the necessary tools and equipment. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and goggles. Fix the problem. Follow the repair instructions and replace any faulty parts. Make sure to be careful and pay attention to detail. Test the car. After making the repairs, test drive the car to ensure it's functioning properly. If there are still issues, recheck your work and seek help from a mechanic if necessary. Overall, repairing a car requires patience, attention to detail, and the right tools and knowledge. If you're unsure about your abilities, it's best to seek professional help. Repairing a car can vary greatly depending on the specific issue or problem with the vehicle. However, here are some general steps that can help guide you through the process. Identify the problem. The first step in repairing a car is to identify the problem. This can be done by listening to any unusual sounds, checking for warning lights on the dashboard, or taking the car to a mechanic for a diagnosis. Gather the necessary tools and parts. Once you know what needs to be fixed, you'll need to gather the necessary tools and parts. This may include things like wrenches, screwdrivers, replacement parts, and specialized tools for certain repairs. Follow repair instructions. If you're repairing the car yourself, it's important to follow instructions carefully. You can often find repair guides online or in a repair manual specific to your vehicle. Take safety precautions. Repairing a car can be dangerous, so it's important to take safety precautions. This may include wearing safety glasses, gloves, and protective clothing, and making sure the car is safely supported while you work.